Good day everyone. Our topic for today is all about mean and variance of sampling distributions. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads for this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about mean and variance of sampling distributions. To solve for the average deviation or the mean for the sample distributions, let's have this one. The average deviation is a measure of variation that takes into consideration the deviations of the individual scores from the mean. So we have a formula AD equals summation of absolute value of x minus mean over n, where AD is the average deviation, the sum of the absolute value of x minus the mean, and n is the sample size. To solve, we have the following number of sales. So we have 23, 3, 16, 4, 9, and the total is 55. First, we need to get the mean. To get the mean, we have mean equals summation of x divided by n. We have 55 for the summation of x, and n is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 items. Then divided by 11. So we will have 11 as our mean. And then we will put it all in the column. And then we have this formula, absolute value of x minus the mean. So 23 minus the mean is 12. 3 minus the mean is negative 8. 16 minus the mean is 5. 4 minus the mean is negative 7. And 9 minus the mean is negative 2. Then add all of this, the total is 34. Why 34? Since it is absolute value, so there is no negative sign. So we will just add 12 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2. The total is 34. Now, we have a formula for the average deviation, which is summation of the absolute value of x minus the mean over n. For this one, we have a total of 34, and for the n, we have 5. So we have 34 divided by 5, and the average deviation is 6.8. So that's the answer. Now, another, we have the sample variance of a group data. So, the formula for the variance is s squared equals summation of the quantity of x minus the mean squared over n minus 1, where s squared is the sample variance, the sum of the squares of the x minus the mean, and n is equal to the sample size. Okay, let's have this example. So we have the number of sales, 23, 3, 16, 9, and 4, and 9. The total is 55. First, get the mean. To solve the mean, again, we just have to divide 55 by the total number of items, which is equal to 5. So 55 divided by 5 is 11. And now, we will put 11 in all the columns. And then, we need to subtract x to the mean. So we have 23 minus 11 is 12. 3 minus 11, 16 minus 11, 6 minus 11, 4 minus 11 I mean, and 9 minus 11. Then get the total, that's 34. Next, we have x minus mean squared. So this one will be squared. So 12 times 12 is 144. Negative 8 times negative 8 is 64. 5 times 5 is 25. Negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Okay? And the total is 286. Now for the formula, we have this one. So we have 286 divided by 4. Where did I get 4? Because our n is 5, so that's 5 minus 1, the answer is 4. Divided 2, you will get 71.50. So that is our variance. To get this standard deviation, we have this formula. Just get the square root of the variance. So where s squared is the sample variance, and SD or S is the standard deviation. So based from our given or answer a while ago, we have a variance of 71.50. So get the square root of this. Okay? So we will cancel this. So matitira na lang is letter S. What is the square root of 71.5? That is 8.46. Round off your answer to nearest hundreds. So that's all about for solving mean and variance of sampling distributions. With that, thank you very much for your listening.